Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how to save Word file on your desktop. So let's go quick into the process. So we need to open Microsoft Word first. And if you're already in your Microsoft Word document, you already have your document, you just need to simply open that. Now, once you are in your document, you will find all the tabs right here at the top. You'll find the file, home, insert, draw, design, layout, preferences, mailings, review, view, help, and the Acrobat. Now, we need to click on the file tab, which is the very first tab on the top left corner. Click on the file tab. And here in the list of options, you will find save as. Click on save as. And here you'll find the option browse. Click on browse. Then here simply locate desktop, this one. And then you can also change your file name from here. So I'm changing to this to blank document. And then you need to click on save. And we close this. And here you can find this blank document. And this is in the desktop. So it is now saved in the desktop. As easy as that. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.